Hello from another beach in Ayia Napa. This is Katsarka Beach, and I decided to visit this beach despite having a very low score on Google Maps. So the sand, the beach itself is sandy, but the low score on Google Maps is due to having not sandy entrance to the sea, but rocky and through this pier. But if you know me, I'm no stranger to piers, and I love them because in Sweden we have a lot of them. So let's check it out. And also there is beach overlooking the sea, and the beach is called, I think, Agiou Vasilion ke Agapi. That's in Greek. Here starts the pier, and it is quite hot to walk on this pier barefoot. It also goes around the whole beach, and it has two entrances into the sea. And yes, today is 1st of September, and this is the second beach I visit here in Ayia Napa. Earlier I visited the MUSAN, the Museum of Underwater Sculptures of Ayia Napa, and was snorkeling there to explore the sculptures. And back there is also the beach next to it. It's called Katara Beach, but I didn't make a video of it because it's right next to MUSAN. And this is, as I mentioned, Katsarka Beach. So here is the beach as seen from the pier. You see there is rocky entrance from here. That's why this pier was made to just go for a swim. And these are unusual steps for me because we don't have such in Sweden. Well, maybe we do, but we mostly have steps made out of wood because there's lots of wood in Sweden. Okay, we're gonna take a swim anyway. Okay, it's getting deep here, so we're gonna just glide in. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. I'm pretty much used to this type of beaches in Sweden, so I would rate this beach quite well. I mean, I cannot lie, it's not the same as Nisi Beach and the other beautiful beaches in Ayia Napa or Protaras, but it can work if you have your hotel nearby and you go out for a swim. It's nice. So that's the pier and the church and the beach. And yes, I was surprised how well organized is the beach walk over here. There are many places to sit on with shades. Let's see if that continues all the way to Cape Greco, because I planned and intend to visit as many beaches as possible today. And this is the second one already for today. So, and I'm still overwhelmed from the Museum of the Underwater Sculpture of Ayia Napa. They had pretty amazing sculptures down there below, so make sure to check out that video as well. And yes, then that's a wrap from Katsarka Beach in Ayia Napa, Cyprus. And make sure to follow and subscribe for more beach adventures on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!